Hello Click Designers! In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you where and how you can locate and access all of your Upwork post templates on your ClickDesigns Marketing Kit. So your ClickDesigns Marketing Kit does depend on the access level that you have on your account. So after you've logged into your ClickDesigns and you're on your dashboard, simply hover your mouse over onto the template section and click on that. Now, once you've loaded up the template section, you will immediately see different types of categories for different types of graphic templates. So here, this arrow button is what you need to click to browse until you find a category labeled marketing. And once you click on marketing, you will see even more categories under the marketing kit of different types of social media platforms. So here we have Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google, YouTube, Presentation, Fiverr, and Upwork. So for this tutorial, we are going to be looking at the templates for Upwork. So just find Upwork with your mouse and click on that. Once you click on Upwork, it'll immediately show you right off the bat different types of templates that ClickDesigns has to offer for your Upwork posts. So here on the side, we have a specific category for these templates, which is called the Upwork Portfolio Image and the dimension 1000 by 750. So here you can see there are different types of colors, designs, and aesthetics to choose from for your Upwork account. So if you find a template that you'd like, simply hover over it and click on this icon over here to edit or to immediately use the template. So that is it. That is how you locate and access the Upwork template posts only on the ClickDesigns Marketing Kit. So thank you so much, and I hope that this tutorial was helpful.